Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of Walk in My Interior Designer Shoes. Okay, so do listen all the way through to the end because there are some real hidden gems in this week's Walk in My Interior Designer Shoes, including taking you to some very secret hidden places that are just by where I live that are real beauties if you have a chance to go and visit. I've been driving past this shop, Fake It, for years now and have never really had a chance to walk in. They sell artificial flowers, and every time I'm in the car driving past, I'm with the children needing to go somewhere and just don't have a moment to jump in. So here I thought this is the perfect moment. I can share this with you and actually walk in and enjoy it myself. I definitely expected to find some nice plants in here, some nice faux plants in here. You know, like I say, I've driven past many times before, but I did not expect this shop to be so large and in fact so varied in terms of what they had and what they were able to offer. I particularly fell in love with this beautiful bespoke olive tree. It was absolutely stunning, a really good size, a sort of medium size, not too overgrown, not too small. And something else I really loved at the shop was another beautiful tree, but actually this particular tree had an original bark, and you know, the texture and the feel of it, and of course the realisticness of that bark made the whole faux tree feel really incredible. You know, adding that real piece of bark just added that depth to the whole tree, and it was really beautiful. And in fact, this is definitely a supplier that I'm now going to be using, having come across them so accidentally. This isn't a secret suppliers episode, but I did want to sneak this in here because this is a really special road that I have been going to for a very long time and absolutely love, and I'm really happy to share with you. Right, so we are on Lillie Road, which is one of these beautiful roads in London, in Fulham, where you get these incredible antique stores. You know, you can walk in and find pretty much anything. I am specifically looking for mirrors today, so I've gone in search, in a real hunt for beautiful mirrors, and oh my goodness, I have found so much. From 18th century mirrors to 19th century mirrors to Art Deco mirrors to bamboo, there is just so much available on this street. It's unbelievable. You know, you almost want to take everything home with you. But that's what's so special about Lillie Road. These shops have been there for years and years, and as the years have gone by, the streets got quieter, but actually it's one of those places that I really do want to highlight because this street is just full of treasure. You know, really, for an interior designer not to know where this is and not to go is just such a massive shame. So, you know, whether you're an interior designer or somebody looking for really special, unique pieces, really do go. And if you feel like you're not particularly an antique lover, I still advise that you do go in and see these places because everything can be upgraded, renewed, refreshed, repainted, and actually can look really incredible. And there is something about the detail in an antique that, you know, no matter what we do today, we just don't have that level of detail that perhaps used to exist many years ago. All of the suppliers that I've walked into today and everyone that I'm showcasing is linked down below, so do have a look and let me know if there's any more information that you want on those particular suppliers or on what you've seen today. Okay, so really excitingly, I have some great news for you. During lockdown, we moved out of our premises and are now looking for new premises, and today I have a little sneaky site visit to one of the places that I'm going to look at for me and my team, and it is really exciting. It's a really lovely large space full of lovely ceiling light, and that's just what you want as a designer. It's really bright light, very strong, and really spacious. So watch this space because you never know, we could be there soon. Okay, so next I'm off to a quick client meeting. Unfortunately, I can't take you in with me, but this is a very, very special project. And in all honesty, I've been really lucky because the base of this project is really such an astounding one to have. It's a stunning shell, and this is a property in Chelsea which used to be an old school, and so you can imagine the actual detail of the building itself is just beautiful. So it's a real pleasure to work on this, and hopefully soon you'll see some photographs. Okay, so the client's actually just texted me to let me know she's going to be 15 minutes late, so that is my signal to go and get another coffee. Okay, and finally, our last thing to do today, before I finally get to my children, is we are shooting some video work, and we're actually trying to start to do some reels and to see what the response is like on social media with that. So it is a new little venture that I'm trying out. It seems to be going well. Again, if you feel like there are reels or things that you want to see me do, then please do let me know. I would love to know. This is such a trial space for me, and I am doing my absolute best. So I hope you're enjoying it. But again, if there's anything you feel that you'd like to see, then do let me know. Okay, so that's it for my very crazy busy day. I will be hopefully taking my kids to the cinema today for the first time in a very long time. It's probably been 2 years we haven't been to the movies. I'm taking them to see The Addams Family. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, and please do subscribe if you like not just today's episode but all the other episodes, and hopefully you can let me know which you like more and which you like less and what you want to see more of, because I'd be really grateful to have your feedback. But what I really want to do is make sure I'm giving you as much value as I can in these videos, and so I'm continuously trying to think of ways in which to do that. But if you have your own ideas, please do let me know, and thank you for watching. So, and many of you, where I wanted to share some that was really smooth.